Drop it! Drop it! Step it up!
Leave me here without my lady! Where is she?
Step it up! Drop it!
December 1st, 2024. St. Charles, Illinois Police is called for immediate assistance at River Glen Senior Living Facility. A man was initially seen attempting to cut down a tree on the facility's property while shirtless. He then entered the lobby and cafeteria, where he threatened residents with a running chainsaw. Welcome to Incident on Record. Let's get into it.
Hey! Hey, what's going on with this guy?
I don't know. He came in here.
Hey, can you hold this door open?
Yes,
More police
please.
are coming.
1393.
Go ahead.
There's no answer at the call to the business.
Hold that door open. Hold that door open.
I'm calling me. I can't.
10-4.
Keep right there, fire.
Unit's incoming. Can you step it up? Hey!
Inconvenience.
Hey! Hey, drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop it. Drop it. Drop it. On the ground. On the ground.
When you're there, someone be on St. Charles.
Get back! Get back! Hey, drop. Hey. Hey. Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. One at taser point.
Oh my god.
Hey, drop it!
1393. Can you 109?
I got one at taser point. Step it up. We'll be in the front lobby. Drop it!
Subject in the front lobby.
Yes.
Step it up.
Leave me here without my lady! Where is she?
Step it up!
Where's my...
Drop it!
I just want my wife, man. I just want... Listen, man. I don't
Taser deployed! Taser. Hey! Hey, right here! He's right here!
1393.
Come on. Get him out. Come here. He's on the other side. Oh, shit.
Shots fired!
Attention all Irish units. River Glen St. Charles.
Drop it!
North Avenue.
Get him over.
North Avenue St. Charles. Attention all
Get him over.
special attention St. Charles units. Shotgun dispatching is shots fired at 975 Northwest Avenue, River Glen St. Charles. Responding as acknowledging EPA.
Here we go. Come on. Watch out. Move your... Hey, get out of here. Come on, buddy. Come here.
The suspect, later identified as Daniel Horacio Escalera, was a 41-year-old man from Stockwell, Indiana. Toxicology exam revealed that Escalera had methamphetamine, amphetamines, and olanzapine, medication for treating schizophrenia, in his system during the incident. Escalera had a criminal history stretching over nearly 25 years and includes multiple arrests related to drug and alcohol-impaired driving, being labeled a habitual DUI offender, resisting police, possession of cocaine and methamphetamine, public intoxication, and domestic battery. According to a local Indiana newspaper, one incident involved allegations that he stabbed his then-wife, prompting a SWAT response. As for why he arrived at the senior living facility on Sunday, armed with a chainsaw, and began attacking trees and elderly residents, it appeared consistent with his past behavior. In September 2022, in rural Indiana, Escalera was involved in a sudden road rage confrontation where he assaulted a motorcyclist using the victim's own helmet. He was later convicted and sentenced to jail. And reports indicate he was actually supposed to be incarcerated on Sunday due to a probation violation tied to another one of his numerous cases. Escalera was taken to Del Nor Hospital, where he was later pronounced dead. While no resident suffered serious injuries, several people received treatment at the scene for minor wounds. The Illinois State Police carried out an extensive investigation into the shooting, and the findings were submitted to the Kane County State's Attorney's Office. Following a detailed review of the case, authorities concluded that the officers involved acted in compliance with both departmental procedures and Illinois law. The evidence indicated that their response was justified given the circumstances. Incident on Record documents real-world police encounters using publicly released records. To see more documented cases and help uncover public records, visit Incident on Record weekly.